right, I want to make sure first that you understand the divisibility rule for 9. If I had the number 315, sum the digits. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. That means 9 will go into 315. You sum the digits. Okay, let's look at our problem. 10 to the n. No matter what n is, that's just going to be, a 1 with some zeros. Whether it's 100 or 1,000 or whatever, it's just going to be a 1 with some zeros. And so when you multiply that by 25, all that's doing is adding zeros to 25. Okay? So right now, if you sum your digits, only thing we have right now is 25. Because when we multiply by 10 to the n, you're still going to have a 25. You're just going to have a bunch of zeros. So far, so now I have k times 10 to the 2n. Well, once again, all that's going to do is multiply this number and move the decimal to the right-hand side where you have a bunch of zeros. But it's not going to change what k is. It's just going to have zeros behind it. So 25 plus what is divisible by 9? That's an infinite number of numbers. Let's look at our answers. So 25 plus 9 is 34. That doesn't work. Is that right? 25 plus 9. Yeah, 25 plus, I'm sorry, not 25, 7. When you sum your digits, you get 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. I'm looking at the answers. 23, 35, and 47. So the sum of my digits is 7. That doesn't work. And that gives me 23. That doesn't work. And that gives me 30. That doesn't work. And add 7 to that. That's 42. That doesn't work. And 47 plus 7 is going to be 54. That works. So the answer is 47.